Flutter is an open-source framework by Google for building beautiful, natively compiled, multi-platform applications from a single code base. Flutter has recently announced support for Windows. With Flutter 2.10, you can now build Windows apps using Flutter. With a single code base, you can build high-quality Windows apps that also run on mobile and web. Let's try Flutter for mobile, web, and Windows. For this Flutter project, in the main.dart file, a stateless widget is used, which returns us a material app. The home property returns us a homepage. Let's see the implementation of homepage. In the homepage, first we have a stateful widget, and then we create a state for homepage, which is called as homepage state. In the homepage state, we have a list of entries and color codes that we are going to display on our app using a list view. Further, we have a scaffold, which has an app bar and a body. The body has a list view, which returns us a container with different color shades. These color shades we have defined previously. And finally, we divide the list view items using a divider, and our teeny tiny app for testing on different platforms is ready. Running on Android Emulator. Our app looks decently amazing. Now, try running our app on Microsoft Edge browser. Our app is now on a web browser. Let's resize it. Works well while resizing. Now, we are going to test run the app on Windows platform. That's the power of Flutter framework. The Flutter works smoothly on mobile, web, and Windows platforms. Make sure to subscribe for more videos related to Flutter.